Advanced Financial Loans Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering advanced financial loans, you'll want a clear understanding of their offerings and whether they're a good fit for your financial needs. First, Advanced Financial primarily offers flex loans, open-ended, high-interest line of credit loans. These are distinct from traditional loans because there's no set payoff date and you only pay interest on the funds you use. With these loans, you can withdraw any amount up to your limit and make minimum payments to keep the balance active. The flexibility can be appealing to people needing quick cash with the option to borrow again as necessary, making it accessible in emergencies or for managing unexpected expenses. Now, who is this service best for? Advanced financial loans are tailored for those with urgent, short-term financial needs, but who may not qualify for lower interest options, such as personal loans from banks or credit unions. They're a popular option for people with lower credit scores who may not have access to traditional credit. However, it's important to consider that flex loans come with notably high interest rates, often surpassing what you'd find with credit cards or personal loans. This means costs can pile up quickly if you only make minimum payments, so it's best suited for individuals who can pay off the balance promptly to minimize interest charges. Advanced Financial also stands out for its 24/7 customer support, which is helpful for borrowers who may need assistance with their account at any time. They offer both online and in-store options, so you can apply and manage your loan either way. But remember, due to the high cost of borrowing, it's crucial to only rely on this as a short-term solution. If you're comparing lenders, consider checking other options as well, particularly those with more competitive rates if you're eligible. In summary, advanced financial loans can be a quick solution for those in financial need with limited credit options. However, the high interest and potential for growing debt require careful financial planning and a commitment to paying it off quickly. Before you commit, consider whether you're able to pay down the balance promptly. Otherwise, you could end up paying far more than you borrowed. This loan type is effective for emergencies, but is best approached with a plan in mind to avoid excessive debt.